How to hype a YouTube video step by step. To hype any YouTube video, first of all, you simply have to go ahead and launch the YouTube application on your device. Now you simply have to open or search any eligible video that is published within the last 7 days by a creator with between 500 and 500,000 subscribers. Now once you open them, you should be simply able to open the video itself. Once you open this, all you have to do is now go ahead and then open the action toolbar by tapping this three-dotted menu icon or tapping this more option. You should be able to find the hype button over here. However, it is not showing up over here because this is not yet available within my region. But once you find it, you simply have to go ahead and tap on it, and then you simply have to confirm your vote. A menu layout will slide up from the bottom of your screen displaying your remaining weekly hype balance. Then tap confirm to cast your vote, and there you go. This is how you can hype any YouTube video. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.